Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to share a very quick and easy DIY homemade recipe for these wonderful sugar exfoliating scrub bar and oats and honey soap bar. These soaps are made from all natural ingredients, so it gives a complete nourishment to your skin. And these are perfect gift option also for your friends or family. So I'll quickly show you how you can prepare these beautiful soaps at home and what are its amazing benefits. So let's get started. Let's start with the scrub bar. So for this I'm taking 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of rose water. So for making scrub bar we need soap base and it's shea butter soap base for melt and pour soap making process. I got it from Amazon. So I'll be using half of it to make the scrub bars. I'll also be adding pinch of saffron, which is completely optional, and few drops of essential oil for fragrance. I have taken lavender essential oil. This is also optional. I'll also be using this isopropyl alcohol, which is a rubbing alcohol, and these are basically used to remove the bubbles which are formed after making soaps. This is also completely optional. So I have taken some of it in this spray bottle for easy use. So last 3 ingredients are completely optional. If you don't have, you can skip it. So I'll quickly share ingredients for oatmeal and honey soap because we'll be making scrub and soap bar together in single batch. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of powdered oatmeal. So I use grinder to make oatmeal in this powdered form. And then I would need 1 tablespoon of honey and half of the soap base I'll be using to make 2 soaps. And again I'll be using same essential oil for fragrance and some rubbing alcohol, which is completely optional again. So it's up to you. If you want, you can use it. Alright guys, so at last you'll be needing these silicone molds to mold your soaps. You can use any silicone molds which you like. I also like using these beautiful silicone mold which I use to make cupcakes. And this is the spatula which I'll be using to mix all the ingredients in soap base. You can use any regular spoon or spatula for this. And then I'll need some microwave safe bowls. So what I do, first I mix all the ingredients together and keep the mixture ready for our soap base. So let's quickly mix all the ingredients for our scrub bar. So today I'll be making 2 scrub bars and 2 soap bars with the use of 400 grams of soap base. So we all know that sugar is a great exfoliator and coconut oil is a natural moisturizer. It has antioxidant properties which makes your skin healthy. It also has antibacterial properties that can prevent many skin issues caused by bacteria. So our mixture for scrub is ready now. Let's keep it aside and prepare the mixture for soap also. So let's start by mixing all the ingredients well together. So we all know that oats are very high in protein and it is packed with full of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are not only healthy for your insides but also very beneficial for your skin. And honey also has antibacterial properties and it's extremely moisturizing. So I really love mixing these 2 ingredients in my regular use of soaps. So both of our mixtures are ready now. So now let's quickly dive into the final process. So I have taken 400 grams of shea butter soap base and I'm gonna cut it into small cubes. You can use any soap base which are easily available on Amazon or eBay. I bought it from Amazon and I will leave the link in description box below. If you want, you can go and check that out. So now I'm gonna place these cubes in microwave safe bowl to melt these soap base. I'll keep it in microwave for around 1.5 minutes, stirring it every 30 seconds of intervals. You can also use double boiler method to melt these soap base. So meanwhile, I'll set my molds and spray some rubbing alcohol into this so that our soaps can come out nice and smooth. And also I'm adding oatmeal at the base for some textures on our soap. And for our scrub bars, I'll add some saffron for the base. You can also add dried rose petals if you have. So I have kept both of the mixture here for our soap and scrub bars. Once the soap base is completely melted, you need to carefully pour half of the mixture into each of the bowl. Okay, so here you need to be very careful because this mixture starts thickening very quickly. So you need to be very quick and careful while pouring the mixture and mixing the ingredients. And don't worry, if you think that your mixture is still very thick, then you can microwave it again for around 10 or 20 seconds until you are able to pour. Alright, so once it's nicely and completely mixed, you need to pour the mixture into the mold. Once the mixture is poured, you need to spray the alcohol again to make sure you pop the bubble on top so that it sits nice and smooth. And in the cupcake molds, I'm gonna set my scrub bars. Finally, I will leave my soaps to set at room temperature for around 5 to 6 hours. Alright guys, so 6 hours are over and I'm going to remove the soaps from the mold. Let's see how our scrub bars turned out. Look at that, it's so beautiful and perfect, isn't it? That's why I like adding saffron or rose petals, because the final product looks really beautiful. And our oats and honey soaps also looked so perfect and finely shaped. Make sure you store these soaps in airtight container, and the shelf life of these soaps are really long. It can last up to 8 or 10 months. These soaps and scrub bars are perfect if you have dry skin, dull skin, sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, or itchy skin. These scrub bars are really good to remove dead skin cells, and these are very hydrating and makes your skin soft and healthy looking. These oatmeal and honey soaps are really good to soften and moisturize your skin and normalize your skin's natural pH level, which can further help you to get rid of dry, itchy, dull and rough skin. Both of these scrub and soap bars are extremely hydrating and moisturizing because of all the natural ingredients mixed into it. And what more, it's a perfect gift option also, so don't forget to show your love by gifting these to your loved ones. So try these at home and use it yourself, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So that's all for my today's video guys. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Thank you so much for watching.